And why do you think we'd come close? Those of us who have experience with Chick-fil-A, why do you think we'd come close to what their mission is? We'd come close because we would base our answer on what we see them do. And so my point of this part is, this work isn't about a mission statement. It's about being on a mission. The reason they have superior service culture there and the longest wait times for food, and they're closed on Sundays and they can't stop printing money, is because they are on a mission to provide superior service. It's a mission. It's all they talk about. It's what they do. When they have to correct behaviors, it's in the context of their mission. When they give compliments, it's in the context of their mission. We in schools, we flip the script. We spend 8 months wordsmithing the hell out of a statement. A statement. You don't know Amazon's mission statement. You don't know Marriott's mission statement. But I could guess at all of them because of what I see them do. See, we in schools have more statement than mission. And that's a problem.